In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use My Day in Microsoft To Do. My Day is your focused daily workspace inside Microsoft To Do. Think of it as a clean page that resets every night, so each morning you can decide exactly what deserves your attention without old tasks cluttering your view. It's great for setting priorities, staying realistic, and avoiding overwhelm. Start by opening the My Day view. In the left sidebar, select My Day, and you'll land in a clean, simple space designed just for what you plan to accomplish today. This is your hub for choosing and tracking what matters right now. Next, add tasks to My Day from your existing lists. Go to any list, click a task to open its details, and choose Add to My Day. You can also right-click the task and select Add to My Day. This doesn't remove the task from its original list or duplicate it. It simply spotlights it in your My Day view for today. It's a safe way to focus on a subset of your work without messing up your overall organization. You can also create brand new tasks directly in My Day. In the My Day screen, click where it says Add a Task, type a short, clear task name, and press Enter. This makes a task specifically for today, so you can capture quick wins as they come to mind. Keep titles action-oriented, like Draft Project Outline or Email Status Update, so it's obvious what to do when you look back later. If you want help deciding what to tackle, use suggestions. At the top of My Day, tap the light bulb icon to open a curated list of tasks that might deserve your attention, such as items due today or important tasks you haven't completed yet. Scan the suggestions, and when something fits your plan, click the plus sign to add it to My Day. If a suggestion isn't right for today, ignore it. Nothing changes in the original task. A couple of reminders to keep My Day effective. Aim for a realistic list you can actually finish. It's better to complete a handful of meaningful tasks than to overload yourself. Check off items as you go to build momentum. If you don't finish something, don't worry. My Day clears overnight, but the task remains safely in its original list, ready to be added back tomorrow if needed. And that's it. Open My Day. Add the right tasks from your lists or create new ones on the spot, and use suggestions to fine-tune your focus. With this routine, you'll start each day clear, intentional, and ready to make progress.